everybody, welcome back to my kitchen area, and today I have this. This is a SHOCKW. It's by Bugani, and it is, I don't know if it's i3, but this is a Bluetooth speaker. So I needed a new speaker, and I wanted to get something that would actually work pretty good. And we're gonna try this thing out. Hopefully, I won't run it too loud because I do have neighbors, but we're gonna give this thing a try and see how it works. And let's see how it goes. We'll open it up. See how it is here. So this is what it looks like. So it comes with, this here is the instructions. I guess you can activate your warranty and whatnot on there, and it gives just the information about it there. So whatever. Now let's pick this up. The box is empty now. Put this in here. It came with a little styrofoam, but other than that, we have everything unpacked. Didn't come with a lot of stuff. Oh, here we go. This looks like must be the charging cable. Yep, comes with so this is like a 3.5 millimeter wire. I guess if you were gonna hook it up to something else, like I actually have a microphone set, so I could hook it to that. And then it comes with here, I'll take off the little caps. It looks like it's USB to USB-C, so it must charge through USB-C, which is nice to know, because most of my stuff nowadays is USB-C. And this is what it looks like here. So this is, I guess these are the subwoofers here, and these are the other speakers. So let's see how this thing works. Where's there even, so here is the settings here. I don't know, can I see it from there? Can't. I'll come around this way here and turn it on. And there. I'm guessing this is on now. And let's see. Oh, I forgot I have toast cooking. So let's see if we can connect it up through Bluetooth. So I'm on Bluetooth, and it's called Bugani Shock. And it shows up on my Bluetooth. So, and there we are connected. So now let's see if we can play something. I have some YouTube. So it's super loud. Where's the volume? Oh, well, as far as sound goes, it definitely gets loud. And then what's M do? Oh, look at that. Oh, you can see it's vibrating there. I don't know if you can tell it's shaking. You probably can't even hear me. I'm gonna try it at full volume. We'll see what happens. Oh, I guess it beeps like that when it hits its limit. It's super loud. And then we'll play it quietly. And there, it's quiet, works good. So this is really cool, and it's got a nice handle on it. It's got some weight to it. I'm guessing it's all the battery and the speakers, but I'll be able to take this with me to wherever I go. I don't remember if this one was waterproof. Here, I'm gonna turn it off because I don't even know if you can hear me or not. So that's it. So super, ridiculously easy to connect. Push that, and then the Bluetooth goes on. It made a little ding, and then the Bluetooth connected and whatever. So let's see what it says on here. So it looks like it might be waterproof because it has a picture with the water on it. And let me see here. Yep, it's IPX6 waterproof. So it's not just waterproof, it's really waterproof. It's certified waterproof. It's got wireless stereo connection, 4 pieces of high and low speakers, as we saw, the front and back speakers. And it has an auxiliary in, which, let's see where that is even. I don't know why I have the box here. So the auxiliary in would be where this goes, and let's see, where would the in be? It's a good question. Oh, here's a little map of where things are on it here. So it opens up right there. So if we look here, this opens up, and it's gonna be a little difficult because it's waterproof. Holy mackerel, it's difficult. There we go. So there, so now I got it open and you can see it's got different ports in there. It's got a, what's that, a USB port so you can charge your phone. It's got a little SD card slot. That's, what is that called, TF card? Yeah. And so you can put in a TF card if you want to have certain music, if you want to load it up that way and play music if you're going to be going somewhere where you just don't have the access to the other stuff. And then it's got the USB-C port, which will be for the charging. So it looks like it's got everything all there. And so I could plug, and then, oh, on the bottom it's got 3.5mm one for this. So that's pretty sweet. So this is by Bugani. And it's really nice looking. It got super loud. I'm sorry, you guys probably can't tell the sound, how good it was, but it really did sound good. I mean, I was playing things before on just my, on my iPad. It's crap. Okay, so the iPad plays crap. This plays really good. I mean, it plays as good as like one of those big, huge speakers. I have one of those big, huge kind of speakers. It plays easily as good as that, and probably as loud as that. If I was going to someplace where I needed some loud sound, this would be the one to take, this big, and it's waterproof, so I'll take it to the beach. So this is awesome. I'm gonna put it in my car and probably keep it there for when I hit the road to the beach or the pool. So that's it. So thanks for watching. This gets a super thumbs up from me because it is very cool, and the price is good, and it's got even a good feel, nice and rubbery, and it's got the rubber on the bottom so it won't slide around when it's, if you put it on the dashboard or something while you're driving. So definitely love it, thumbs up. I'm gonna put a link to it in the description. I saw when I got it, it was on sale, but who knows if it's on sale or anything at any given time. But I guess you guys, it's up to you guys to figure out. But I like it, so pick one up, links in the description, and subscribe to my channel and like the video, and I'll be back with some other stuff soon. Thanks, bye everyone.